Good evening and thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Marangeli Lopez. Today, the Supreme Court extended a temporary freeze on the enforcement of a controversial Texas immigration law. Instead of going into effect tomorrow, the law is now set to take effect March 18th. CBS 19's Ron Everett spoke with Tyler police and a local lawyer to find out what the impact on East Texas could be.
Many across the state and in East Texas are worried about Senate Bill 4, but Tyler police says there's no cause for concern.
It's not going to affect us at all. That is more for the border cities that are battling, with the problem that they're concerned over there.
Smedley said that officers won't be asking for proof of citizenship during traffic stops.
Our main priority is to establish that trust and communication within the city of Tyler, especially for the Hispanic community out there. We want them to feel safe, let them know that we are here to protect them and serve them as well.
Gilbert Urbina, Assistant Director of the Hispanic American Association of East Texas, says that local police will be unable to enforce SB 4 even if they wanted to.
They're not out to or capable of enforcing all those laws because they're not staffed enough. And it's hard to pursue.
However, if an officer can prove that someone entered the country illegally, it doesn't mean that person is immediately deported to their home country.
The person is entitled to the due process to go before a judge, to ask for a bond, to ask for relief. So it's not something that's going to be immediate where a person gets arrested and then they find themselves in their home country.
That person will likely have to attend multiple court dates, a process that could extend over several months, if not years. When it comes to asylum seekers, Urbina says the process could be faster.
Congress needs to act. They really do. If they need to solve this issue, they need to put in place the plan that was established earlier last year that President Biden had spoke about that he would sign.
The plan involves hiring additional patrol officers along the border and recruiting immigration judges to expedite the asylum process. This initiative aims to condense procedures that typically span 6 years into 6 weeks. In Tyler, for CBS 19, Ron Everett.
The Supreme Court has an extra week now to consider whether the law should eventually be allowed to take effect. If they don't intervene, the law takes effect March 18th.